Welcome to the video tutorial for the WebNEERS Direct Data web app. The web app is designed to collect adult enrollment information and adult evaluation survey information through a secure web-based platform, eliminating the need for paper forms. The information collected is transmitted directly into the WebNEERS system. For this to happen, WebNEERS users must be given permission. The Direct Data web app is optional permission number 232, titled Direct Data Entry. At the institute level, WebNEERS administrators such as the FNEP coordinator or other state leads can enable this permission for those using the Direct Data web app. First, click on View Users. Next, manually select the staff needing access to permission 232 Direct Data Entry. You can enter 232 in the search bar to find Direct Data Entry. Select the permission and click Save. You must repeat this process for each staff that needs permission. If your institution has an approved sampling plan, the WebNEERS administrator will need to enable permission 234 titled Can Create Exit Sampling Room Code. If your institution does not have a sampling plan, you can skip this step. Next, select the staff that need permissions. Search 234, select the permission and click Save. Repeat this process for each staff that needs permission. Let's now walk through how to set up a room code to collect enrollment and adult evaluation survey data. The room codes create links that are sent to participants at the pre and post mark. When creating your pre and post links, be sure to jot down the room code for tracking purposes. It is essential to send the correct room code to each participant to ensure entry and exit information is collected and matched appropriately. First, log into WebNEERS and make sure you are in the regional system. In the Adult section, select Room Codes. Select the button Create Room Code. Type in the name of the group, select appropriate staff, residence type, lesson type, and appropriate subgroups. If you have an approved sampling plan, select the room code type for entry or exit, and yes or no for Include Adult Evaluation Questionnaire. Please select the federal subgroups and any other additional subgroups that apply to you. After selecting Save, you will see this screen. Next, click on the Enter Room button as shown on the screen. After this, the screen will appear with the room code. You can select the URL at the top and copy and paste this to send to your participants. Participants will be able to complete the enrollment and adult evaluation survey in English or Spanish. Repeat this process when it is time to send participants their exit survey. This concludes the WebNEERS Direct Data tutorial. For additional information, please contact Galdamez at msu.edu.